Neem Technologies is a leading player in the privacy and security space, offering groundbreaking solutions that aim to protect your online data. If you're considering Neem Technologies, there are a few key things you absolutely need to know before buying. In this video, we'll break down the 7 most crucial points to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. First, let's talk about how Neem Technologies compares to other privacy-focused solutions on the market. While traditional VPNs and other privacy tools promise anonymity, Neem goes several steps further by decentralizing your internet connection, essentially making it harder to track your data. Unlike VPNs that route your traffic through a single server, Neem splits your data into smaller pieces and sends them through a network of mixed nodes. This multi-layered approach gives you a much higher level of protection than many of its competitors. Next thing to consider is Neem's innovative use of blockchain. While other privacy tools rely on centralized servers or trust-based systems, Neem leverages blockchain technology to incentivize a decentralized network of nodes. This means that, unlike traditional VPNs where the provider holds the power, Neem's blockchain-based structure ensures that no single entity controls the network. This is a huge win for privacy-conscious individuals who want to avoid the risk of data being exposed by a single company. The third thing you need to know is about Neem's native token. If you're familiar with blockchain ecosystems, you know that tokens play a crucial role in maintaining the network's integrity. Neem's token incentivizes people to run nodes, and those who participate in the network can earn rewards for contributing to the system's privacy-enhancing infrastructure. While this model adds a layer of complexity compared to simple VPN services, it also brings a greater sense of ownership and decentralization. The fourth thing to keep in mind is Neem's performance. Some users may be concerned that the added layers of encryption and decentralization will slow down their connection speeds. In my experience, while there's a slight drop in speed compared to regular VPNs, the difference is minimal and does not severely impact browsing or streaming. In fact, for most users, the privacy trade-off is well worth the minor speed difference. Next, we have the usability factor. Neem Technologies is fairly user-friendly, but there's a learning curve, especially if you're not familiar with decentralized networks or blockchain. Setting up a node and understanding the tokenomics might be a bit challenging at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's much easier to navigate than you might expect. Compared to traditional VPNs, which tend to be plug and play, Neem's setup process can take a little longer, but the added privacy benefits are substantial. The sixth thing you should know is about the community and ecosystem. One of the great strengths of Neem Technologies is its strong community of privacy advocates, developers, and blockchain enthusiasts. With a dedicated group of people pushing the platform forward, the software is continuously improving and evolving. This is something you don't often get with other privacy tools, where development can sometimes slow down after initial launch. The seventh and final point is about the company's roadmap and future plans. Neem Technologies is still relatively young and its future looks promising. The team behind Neem is working on expanding the network, adding more nodes, and integrating more features that will make the service even more robust. So if you're thinking about investing in Neem, you're not just buying a product. You're also getting in on a project that is continuing to innovate in the space. So if you're ready to take your online privacy to the next level, Neem Technologies might just be the solution you're looking for. It's a much more advanced and secure option than traditional VPNs, with a decentralized network that puts your privacy first. If you want to try out Neem Technologies and get the best offer, click the first link in the description. You'll not only get a free trial, but you'll also unlock some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else.